I hate you. Ala, nagpa-chancing siya. Babe, oh. Gumanyan, oh, gumanyan.
I heard, but it's like I didn't just go, it's a challenge. I know.
You have to, preserve my...
No, okay. No talk, no talk.
Okay lang mag-talk, basta soft and hi.
Oh yeah.
Hi.
I want you so, I'm ready
To go
to the fire,
to the wind,
to
for a chance to be
I'd gladly risk it all.
oh. Di, ang pag-connect, nahirapan ako.
She's bleeding.
Sabi mo,
When the voice wasn't like this. Diba sa kanta sa hindi ganito? Hindi, diba? I bet you, I was thinking about you last night. I bet you are thinking nakakainis talaga. Because you know your voice without it. Diba? Alam mo yung boses mo na walang cyst. Diba? Yung sound.
Okay na sir.
Yung tunog ng boses mo pag wala.
bakit yung first time tayo nag-meet?
Sa contract signing.
Oh, bakit nga?
Your voice wasn't like this.
Oh.
Your voice was like this. Solid. Diba? And you were able to bump up for the big night. For the big night. Big night natin.
Anong big night?
Big night. When we entered here.
Bakit?
Iba yung boses mo doon. You were able to hit that high note.
Oh, pero na ano pa rin kasi umiyak eh.
No, but during, I heard you in the band rehearsals.
Nahirap ako.
Hindi. Hindi ka nahirapan. It came out.
Sino ka ano ni ano, Giselle? Versus sino?
Why?
Gusto niyo maligo? Maligo tayo?
Well, anong oras na ba?
Hansen,
What do we
ako
have
next.
today?
Ako next sa iyo.
Maligo tayo? Hindi ka maliligo?
Ligo?
Hindi ka maliligo?
Kaya ko baka masakit ako.
Teka na.
Ano muna?
Sige.
Amoy mo muna yun.
Ha?
Pakinggan mo muna.
Actually, nagligo na ako. I forgot. I took a shower. Bogs, what's wrong? Kaya mo yan. I heard your version
Ikaw?
already. You already changed it.
Gusto mong maligo sa...
Hindi. Kasi I already took a shower this morning.
Ako rin
Dan
tapos...
didn't take a shower.
Tapos baka ako, magkasakit.
Here's my song. Hello. Ay. Hold on.
Ay, sorry. Excuse me. Uy, kakain. Kain tayo mamaya.
Hindi ka maliligo?
Hindi. Kasi I took a shower this morning.
Ang ganda din ng song mo. Maganda din.
Can I borrow your mic?
Tayo. Pero may ganun na yung MTV no may babae.
I live my life in your hands. We take the floor. Nothing is forbidden anymore. Don't let the world in outside. Don't let a moment go by. Nothing can stop us tonight. Bailamos. Let the rhythm take you over. Bailamos. Te quiero, amor mío. Bailamos. Wanna live this life forever. Bailamos. Te quiero, amor mío. Te quiero.
Oh my God, ang hirap ng song ko.
I want to see what Teacher Giselle is going to teach me. Tonight I'm
No, don't do this. You know what you can do? You can do something like